Okay guys, remember the place that I always do a video at where we go fishing? Today we're having angry wind, and look at this. Over there's the channel, or the side thing, all flooded. Look at this. See where that log is at and stuff? And over here, this is all the parking lot where we usually sit at. Look at this. Isn't this crazy? Our truck is actually sitting, we're in the water. And we have to turn around in this.
Yeah, we'll make it.
But this is what's going on. Hope we don't get swept away.
We ain't going nowhere.
See, all up in there. So, and it's really cold and windy today.
That's even rocking.
Oh yeah, look at this log right there rocking.
I might want to put it in four-wheel drive. I'm just going to tire.
Hope we're not stuck. Watch that log. Look at this, guys. This is where we usually park at. There's going to be a lot of land erosion. Wow, look at this. There's going to be a lot of erosion. We had to put it in four-wheel drive. Whoa. There's a lot of like debris and oh, that's why you were stuck in that debris. See the pile of rocks all pushed up and all the debris. And then this is the side channel thing or whatever, and it's all like rushing with water. And then up here in the driveway, a little ways up, there's actually water over the driveway.
We are coming to find
Wasn't like this yesterday. We were here yesterday and we saw a snake and we saw a big frog. Oh, and a muskrat carrying a stick through the water. See, the water's all up into the drive. Wish I had like a 4-angle camera that could like go all different directions and show you guys all this. See, over there it's all up and that's all grass. But this channel right here is just flooded. Never used to flood like this until last spring.
Well, this ain't the channel.
And
this is the grassland.
that's what I said. See, you can see the water coming across the road, across the driveway, right here, from all that. This is grass, just a grassland, and it's all flooded.
It's supposed to be.
Like I said, it never used to do this until last spring. This is crazy. Okay, you can see where it's flooded, but on the road, the driveway, this all over here is supposed to be just grass.
Not today.
This is crazy. Wasn't this way yesterday.
That wind?
Now we're getting up to the trees, and you can even see the water going up into the trees. See? Going into the trees.
Yeah, if there's any mushrooms in there, like,
See how far the water is just going into the trees.
place to hunt for mushrooms, but not today. Put your hip boots on.
See? Usually it stops at a certain point back there, but not this time. Look at all that water in the trees. Now it's just dry.
Yeah, it's mucky.
Look at that beautiful green color. Alright guys, hope you enjoy.